Hey guys, and welcome back to this Twitch. This video is about how smartphones are going to change in a couple of years. Intro. In the current situation, we see smartphone manufacturers going towards the all display, no bezel look of the smartphone. To achieve that, we have got to see various designs of smartphones. Number one, we got to see the standard notch design, which houses the selfie camera and various other components, including your earpiece. Number two, we got to see the teardrop notch, which houses just the camera. Number three, the slider, which houses the selfie camera and other components behind the phone and basically eliminates the need of selfie camera in the display. Number four, the hole punch display. This technology literally has a hole in its OLED display to house the selfie camera. Moving on, there will be no buttons on your smartphone. Yes, that is true, and instead of your standard typical buttons, we will be having pressure sensitive bezels just like in the Pixel 3. In this case, squeezing the smartphone on either side opens up volume or power simulation. Moving on, there will be no charging port. But how will you possibly charge your phone? By wireless charging, of course, and the cables will magnetically connect to your smartphone without the need of any ports. These cables can also be used for power charging and data transfer. Okay, that's it for this video guys. Make sure to leave a like and I'll see you guys in my next video.